Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing another Mamaearth product, which is the Mamaearth Ubtan face mask. This face mask is amazing. The Mamaearth Ubtan face mask contains saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. And let's get some more into this face mask. I enjoyed using it and I want to share my views, my experience with it, and tell you more about this face mask. First, let's talk about turmeric and turmeric based products, which Mamaearth makes a lot of, and this is one of them. So, turmeric is known as a skin superfood. It has been used for centuries. Even our great grandmothers, or back in history, if you look into history, you will see that turmeric has been used as part of a beauty ritual. Turmeric is loaded with curcumin, which is nature's most powerful plant actives, which gives it its main superpower. Okay, the first thing about turmeric, it is anti-inflammatory. It is so soothing to inflamed skin, if you have redness or if you've had breakouts. Turmeric is the answer to such problems. Next, turmeric is a great antioxidant. It protects your skin from damage, so your skin will not age, and any exposure to pollution or sun damage will be calmed down and it will heal with turmeric. Turmeric also increases the amount of elastin on your skin, and hyaluronic acid in the skin, it increases that level naturally. Makes your skin look supple, more taut, like baby-like skin. That's what turmeric does to you. It deposits collagen and fibroblasts, which makes your wrinkles and fine lines appear smoother. Now, turmeric contains some phytonutrients. Okay, now phytonutrients, as the word term phyto means, it's got to do with the sunlight. It prevents sun damage. It prevents UV-induced thickening, inelasticity, pigmentation, and wrinkling of your skin, which sun damage does to you. But turmeric is your answer. And as we all know, turmeric has a slight bleaching effect. It's a natural bleach which makes you look brighter and lighter. As we all know, in every Indian wedding, they have a ritual where they apply turmeric on the bride's face. It's an age-old ritual and it really works, making you look so much brighter. So turmeric doesn't necessarily turn your skin white or completely white. Basically, it gives you a glow, and if you have any hyperpigmentation on your skin, it reduces it to your actual skin color. And if you have any stretch marks like on your hands or your legs, the stretch marks fade away. So turmeric is such a beautiful ingredient. It is also antibacterial and antifungal and keeps what? Pimples away. Mamaearth has many products which have turmeric in them. The Ubtan face wash, which I love. If you haven't seen my review, please do check it out. I love that face wash. I finished it. I'm starting my second tube also. And the Ultra, I am using this right now. The Ultralight Indian sunscreen, amazing sunscreen. I love it. Use it every day. And now I also have the Ubtan face mask. So let's go into the ingredients of this face mask. It contains saffron. As we all know, saffron gives you a natural glow. And when I was pregnant, I used to have saffron every day with milk, as instructed by my mother-in-law. Saffron with milk every day, and the baby skin would be beautiful and glowing. And indeed, my baby did come out so beautiful. It gives you a natural radiance and also soothes your skin. The next ingredient, of course, here is turmeric, which I've told you a lot about, and which reduces aging and has so many more beautiful properties. The next ingredient is apricot kernel oil, which moisturizes your skin. And if you have dry patches and you use this, your dry patches will not increase, they will reduce, and your skin will become totally seamless. And even if you do have oily skin, this will still work for you because of the turmeric, which acts as an inflammatory, which has anti-inflammatory properties, and one more ingredient which is really beautiful. It contains cucumber extracts, which actually cools your skin, which we need so badly in summer. It soothes any sunburned skin, and cucumber also acts like a mild astringent, so your pimples will heal. It is paraben free and silicone free. It is hypoallergenic and it has bioactives made with natural ingredients. I love Mamaearth products because they are all natural. They are chemical free products. Mamaearth, again, as I always say, they are plastic positive. They recycle more plastic than they use. Now let me take you to how to use this product. Let me show you what this product looks like. So this is the packaging it comes in. 100 ml of product. It costs 499 rupees. Okay, beautiful packaging. And there is your product, beautiful packaging. Okay, it comes with a spatula, but I think I lost it. Okay, and this is what the product looks like. It's a beautiful creamy face pack, ready to use, and just look at that. It smells very, very soothing, pleasing, not disturbing eye-opening kind of smell. No, it's very pleasant, very soothing aroma. I love it. I love the consistency of this, as you will see in the demo of me using it. I'll show you how I used it. These are the instructions on how to use it. I washed my face at first with the sulfate-free face wash, of course, the Mamaearth Ubtan face wash, amazing product. Then I applied the face mask generously on my face or all over the face and neck. I noticed it has very good aroma and I enjoyed applying it on my face. It spreads evenly and you get a feeling that you're in the spa when you have this on your face. Just sit down, relax for 15 minutes or watch some YouTube videos while you put this on your face. Then after 15 minutes, the instructions say scrub it across your face, because as you scrub, you're actually activating more of these ingredients into your face, and then wash it off with lukewarm water. And as I immediately noticed that the before and after, instantly my tan was removed. My skin felt so smooth and so supple, and I definitely recommend this. You're required to use it twice a week and you will enjoy it. Your skin will thank you, and it's such a simple thing you can do for yourself during the summer to take care of your skin. Now the cost of this is 499 rupees. You can buy this at mamaearth.in. Please use my code Frida20 to get 20% off. That's just for you, so you can save some of your money. 499 rupees and get 100 ml of product. If you use it twice a week, this will last you easy 3 months. 3 months. That much product again. Then it's available also on Amazon and Nykaa. Nykaa, but my code will not work there. So I really want to thank Mamaearth once more for giving us such an amazing product, which is skin brightening, not necessarily skin whitening, just brightening, clearing, anti-aging, acne reducing, amazing product which I really enjoy using, and I really want to recommend this to all of you, my friends. Go ahead, go get your pack and get an easy one-step skincare routine where you can reduce your suntan and you get your skin back to normal, especially in this hot summer where your skin really suffers due to the sweat and pollution. This is your answer. Go get your pack today and you will thank me. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Till next time, bye, have a nice day.